Extreme precipitation events, again, are varying. It is true that in last 10 years, flooding, particularly localized floodings, have increased. I think two recent examples are flooding in New Brunswick because of the meltwater, spring melt, and more recent flooding in the interior of British Columbia. Both can be attributed to very heavy snow during the past winter. And as this snow starts to melt with warmer temperature, we do see some flooding. I recall in the early 70s, spring flooding in eastern Canada was very common. The reason being the snow melt plus rivers would have some ice jams. Often the rivers would be frozen solid during the early 70s, and when the spring temperatures rise, these ice flows would jam parts of the river and we would see flooding. But nobody that time suggested that this was due to human CO2 emission. Now we seem to be finding, everybody says, oh, the flooding in British Columbia is increasing. We should reduce our carbon footprint. I think it is too simplistic and too naive.